Hello guys, this is Chirodip once again and you're watching Code Java tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn about method overloading through interface and abstract classes. Now, in this program, I have given one interface name as is, and I have defined three methods over here: test1, test1, and test1. And look very carefully that all the methods name is same: test1, test1, and test1, but the parameters are different. In the first method of s interface, there is no argument, test1 method, that is, and in second test1 method, that is this one, it's having integer argument, which will catch an integer argument, and in the third method it will catch a double argument. Okay, now class T over here, class T is implementing the interface S, and I'm just overriding the methods of test1, test1, sorry, test1, test1, and test1, which is method overloading, and I'm also overriding also. I'm just overriding them as system.out.println statement I'm giving, and all those methods are overloaded and overridden also. So you can see that integer this method will be catching one integer argument, this method will catch one double argument, and it will print test1 double, and this will print test1 int. Now in my manager class, I am creating one object of the class T, which is implementing the S interface, and through that I am calling the test1 method of double, and test1 method of integer. So if you run this program, you will get an output like this: test1 and test1 double and test1 int. So this is the concept of overloading through interface. Now moving forward to the next program. In this program, I have given one interface named as U, and I have declared test1 method, and in the class V I am implementing the interface U, and I am overriding test1 method, which is this one. Okay, the second one, this one I am overriding of the interface U, and also I am giving another method named as test1, but it will have an integer argument. Okay, so it means I'm going to overload this thing, and class B is having test1 method as integer argument. It is its own function, own method, and test1, that is no arg method, it is coming from the interface U, and that's why I have given public void test. As you know that whichever method you are implementing through interface, you have to give public keyword, and I'm creating one object of the class V over here, and I'm calling test1 method, and test1 method with integer argument. So if you run this program, you will get test and test int like this. So this method and this method will be called. Now moving forward to the next program. In this program, I have declared one class, that is an abstract class. Okay, and another class B, which is a concrete class, which is extending my abstract class A. Now abstract class A is having one method test1, which is just I have declared, and another method test1, which is having actually another integer variable, which takes an argument as an integer, one integer variable, and gonna print test1 from that method. And test1 method of class B will just override the test1 method of this. Okay, abstract void test1 method will be overridden in this class, and it will print test1. So I'm creating one object of over here, and I'm calling obj.test1. So this method will call, and then obj.test1, this method will call. So if you run this program, you will get an output like test1, no argument, and then test1 as like this. So to better understand what's happening, I'm giving this as int. Okay, now run this program, you will get an output like this. Yeah, you will get an output from test1, then the test1 int. Okay, so this is the concept of multiple sorry This is the concept of method overloading interface and using abstract classes as well as your interfaces in your class. So thanks for watching, and this is the part 3 of your interface. We will be learning more about interface later in this series. So this is the fundamental idea of using your interface and mixing up those abstract classes in your program. Now thanks for watching and have a nice